artistic ability that was going to be required for them to be able to fulfill the will. And the Lord gave them wisdom. And I pointed out to Brother Ryan last week one of the verses that he read, and it said of the women that their hearts stirred them to the work. There's something's got to get a hold of us where our hearts are stirred, right? Because no amount of intellectual activity will displace our need to be stirred up to do something with what the word of the Lord has said, right? And this is what 36:1 says. Then they did what Moses had told them to do. That's essentially what it says. Verse 3, whoever has the mic, Brother Noah, if you want to read verse 3.
And they received of Moses all the offering which the children of Israel had brought for the work of the service of the sanctuary, to make it withal. And they brought yet unto him free offerings every morning.
Go ahead.
And all the wise men that wrought all the work of the sanctuary came every man from his work which they made.
Go ahead.
And they spake unto Moses, saying, The people bring much more than enough for the service of the work